Soil is alive. Beneath every step we take lies an invisible world, a network of roots, fungi, and microbes working together like nature's underground internet. Yet, decades of industrial farming have broken this connection. Our soils are thinning, our fields eroding, and our food systems becoming fragile. But there is another way. A way of farming that doesn't just take from the land, but gives back. This is regenerative agriculture. A regenerative agriculture is more than a method. It's a mindset. Instead of exhausting the soil with chemicals and heavy tilling, it works with nature's rhythms. It restores balance by mimicking natural ecosystems. It builds fertility, captures carbon, and brings life back to the land. At its core, regenerative farming follows 5 guiding principles. Not rigid rules, but adaptable practices that any farmer, anywhere in the world, can apply. The first principle: minimize soil disturbance. For generations, plowing and tilling were seen as signs of progress. But every time the soil is turned, its structure collapses, carbon escapes into the atmosphere, and erosion takes hold. Regenerative farmers are breaking that cycle. By reducing tillage or avoiding it altogether, they protect the delicate underground web of life. The result: stronger soils, better water retention, and fields that can withstand drought and floods. Less disturbance means more resilience. The second principle: keep the soil covered. Bare ground is vulnerable. Under the hot sun it dries out. With heavy rains, it washes away. But a soil covered with crop residues, mulch, or living plants is shielded, like a blanket of protection. Cover keeps moisture in, buffers temperature, and prevents erosion. It also feeds earthworms and microbes, keeping the underground world thriving. When soil is covered, it's alive. When it's bare, it dies. The third principle: increase plant diversity. Modern farming often relies on monocultures, vast fields of a single crop. Efficient, perhaps, but fragile. In nature, diversity is strength. Each plant feeds the soil in its own way, attracting different microbes and insects. Regenerative farms embrace this lesson. They rotate crops, intercrop species, and plant wildflowers for pollinators. This diversity brings balance, reducing pests, improving soil health, and creating resilience in the face of change. The fourth principle: maintain living roots in the soil year-round. Roots do more than hold soil together. Through photosynthesis, plants draw carbon from the air and deliver it underground, feeding the soil food web. But when fields lie fallow, that process stops. The soil starves. By planting perennials, winter crops, or off-season covers, farmers keep roots alive in the soil all year. Living roots mean a constant cycle of nourishment and soils that grow richer with time. The fifth principle: integrate livestock wisely. For thousands of years, plants and animals shaped the land together. Herds grazed, fertilized, and moved on, renewing the grasslands as they went. Regenerative farmers recreate that cycle through rotational grazing. Cattle, sheep, or chickens are moved across pastures in timed rotations. Their manure fertilizes the soil, their hooves stimulate plant regrowth, and the land rests before animals return. Done well, livestock aren't a burden to the land. They're a vital partner in regeneration. Regenerative agriculture isn't a formula. It's a philosophy, a commitment to work with nature, not against it. By minimizing disturbance, keeping soils covered, planting diverse crops, maintaining living roots, and integrating animals, farmers are restoring balance. They're healing the land, capturing carbon, and securing the future of food. Because when we regenerate the soil, we regenerate life itself. This is the soil story. If you believe in the power of soil to change our world, join us. Subscribe, share this film, and be part of the movement to regenerate our future.